Today, I'm going to tell you about Moomoo and Stake, two popular commission-free trading platforms that offer access to global stock markets. Moomoo is a feature-rich trading platform designed for both beginners and experienced traders. It offers commission-free stock trading, advanced market analysis tools, and real-time data. Moomoo is great for traders who want powerful charting tools and in-depth analytics to make informed decisions. On the other hand, Stake is a user-friendly investment platform focused on providing commission-free access to US and Australian stocks and ETFs. It is ideal for investors who want a simple and fast way to trade global markets without unnecessary fees. I've created a comparison table to highlight the key differences between Moomoo and Stake. Let's take a look. Moomoo is a powerful trading platform that provides commission-free trading on US stocks, along with advanced charting tools, AI-driven insights, and real-time market data. It is designed for active traders who need in-depth analytics and technical indicators to make smarter trading decisions. Moomoo also offers access to multiple international markets, including Hong Kong, China, and Singapore, making it a great choice for those who want global exposure. Stake, on the other hand, is a simplified investment platform focused on US and Australian markets. It offers commission-free trading on US stocks and ETFs, but FX fees apply when converting currencies. Stake is ideal for beginners and long-term investors who want a hassle-free trading experience with an intuitive interface. In terms of fees, Moomoo provides free trading for US stocks, but it charges fees for other international markets. Stake also offers commission-free trading on US stocks, but currency conversion fees may apply when depositing non-USD funds. When it comes to market availability, Moomoo supports multiple global markets, whereas Stake is limited to US and Australian markets. If you're looking for more trading options outside the US, Moomoo is the better choice. For charting and analysis tools, Moomoo is a clear winner, offering AI-based insights, advanced charting, and technical indicators. Stake, however, focuses on simplicity and provides basic charting tools without the complexity of professional trading platforms. Both platforms are secure and regulated, with Moomoo being overseen by the second FINRA, while Stake is regulated in both Australia and the US. In summary, if you are an active trader who needs advanced trading tools, Moomoo is the better choice. But if you prefer a simple, commission-free platform for US and Australian stocks, Stake is the way to go. Let me know in the comments which platform you prefer.